Alright, I gotta make myself some drill bit guides for attaching PVC together. Cats are evil. I love them, but they're evil. Alright, so this is for 3/4 inch PVC, so I have my cylinder set up that should roughly be the PVC. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab this. I want something that will hold the PVC flat on the floor and also allow a drill bit to go straight through the PVC, because I need a matching hole on like this side going directly through the Right. So I should probably attach the microphone to my face. Alright, cool, sorry. Alright, so here's gonna be let's see here. ASCII. My god, I hate cats. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this whole thing and I'll just extrude this out. Say maybe I only need this. I'm gonna make it 1.2 millimeters thick, I guess. That's usually my go-to for some reason. No, cat. Why? Why do you do this? No. Alright, and then I want one piece that sits flat on the floor. If I can get this cat to stop walking all over me. So I'll click on this guy here. And then come back over and just... This is very difficult when there's a cat walking all over me. Okay. Grr. I'm trying to accomplish things with my life, cat. You are making this difficult. And I'm just going to scale these down and drag them down. And now I have a functional topology is a little weird, but for this it really doesn't matter. And then I'm just going to drag this down, and then I'll have like a thing where I can throw my PVC directly into. Good lord. Get off me. You're such a bad cat. Ah, okay. And then I need another little thing for a 4 millimeter, what am I saying? 1/4 inch drill bit. So I'm going to make this 8. I'm going to make this, it was 1/4 inch is like 6.3 millimeters or something. So I'm going to make this 3.5 because I want it 7 millimeters wide, 40 long, and then I'll just turn this 90 degrees, scale it up, drag it back down to here. Then I'm also going to zero this out and then just drag it back out. And now she's licking me. That's disgusting. Cats are weird. Alright, so I have this, and again, I'm just going to take this and extrude. This one I think I might make a little bit thicker because it has to deal with a drill bit being balanced awkwardly on it. So I think I might do 3 millimeters for grins. Alright, so this should theoretically allow my pipe to go through. I don't, however, need this to be... I do, however, need this to be... like this, maybe... I guess it doesn't really need to be that tall. So right now, here's my pipe, and this is clipping through, so like the PVC would hit this and not fit. So I'm just going to grab this, I will duplicate it, and then I'm just going to boolean this out. I'm just going to do a boolean difference. And now if you look at this, you can see it is flush with the inside of this other tube. And then the other thing that I need is going to be that was stupid. I need a pipe running, or I need a hole that runs through the PVC hole so that I can actually have something to drill into. So I'm going to delete all the faces except for these. Get rid of any extra vertices from the boolean. It would have made sense if I did this before booleaning, but whatever. And then I just want to close off these edges really quick. So I'll just extrude and do merge to center and extrude and merge to center. And then I'll take this and do mesh display reverse. And I'm going to scale this to be, ooh, hello. What have I done? Ah, yes, I scaled the verts. Mesh display reverse. And apparently I unclosed this edge somehow. Weird. So I already have, I see. So I already have a second edge loop in here, so I'm just going to merge that directly to center and grab this and do that. All right. And now what I should be able to do, if I take this and I cut this hole out, so I'm just going to do Boolean difference, it should give me something where I would be able to drill all the way through this stupid piece of PVC, more or less straight down, which is what I am looking for. So yeah, one thing maybe I'll make this edge like a little bit longer. I don't really know if it makes a difference. I've never really designed a PVC guide like this, but we'll see how this turns out. Okay, cool. And then I'm just gonna group these together and say PVC guide 1. And I'm just gonna run a mesh cleanup on these. And technically most people would, oh, that was dumb. Wait. But I want this to actually print on my printer without supports. Because I hate supports, because they suck. Alright, so I'm going to take this. Thing 1. Alright. Just delete any history on these objects. Cleans up my outliner a bit. Anyway, so I'm going to take this. That was so stupid of me. Where? Fine. Alright, I'm going to take this. I'm just going to drag it up to like roughly the bottom of this stupid thing. I'll take this stupid thing. Yay. Oh, shoot. Alright. Oh my. Why are you doing this? But actually, it's very annoying. Alright, whatever. I'm just going to select them manually because I'm being lazy. I assume this is because I booleaned it out, which is, as it happens, why I generally recommend booleaning everything last, because I now have much harder time editing my mesh if I need to. Anyway, I'm just going to scale these dumb things down like this, and I will vert snap it to the bottom of this. And then, in theory, this should print without supports, and I can make this ever so slightly shorter. Yeah, so hopefully this awkward little contraption actually works. Because that'd be awesome. Pipe. When the truth is found to be nice. I think what actually might have made more sense was to just print it vertically and have supports going up the length of the tube, but I hate supports, and this way it'll actually be sturdier when I'm drilling into it. So this is the route that I choose to go. And again, I just want to mesh clean up this and apply. Cool. And PVC guide 1. And I will take this into my Cura. Print this on my Ender, because my stupid CR10 is printing wheels probably all night. Yay. Alright. Let us see here. I shall rotate this so it prints at the appropriate direction. And I think skirt should be fine. Let's see what this gives me. Not bad. Not bad at all. Why do I have no infill on this? Because I suck at setting infill. That's what we're gonna go with here. 30 with 2 infill steps, and make this gyroid for shits and giggles. Sure, I'll take that. Why not? Cool. Alright, cool.